I'm motoring. I still have the main sheet up. You can see in the distance our buddy boat, Juguete, maybe just to the left or port side of the forest day you can see him. It's just a beautiful, unusual day. Beautiful clouds, and of course there's no one else out here, just us. It's kind of cool. Sorry for the engine noise. This is the look all the way around. Looking to the west, obviously to the east, that was the Sea of Cortez, which is what we're traveling on our little Flicka 20. That's the view today. The strange thing about the weather is that we've had mostly clear days, but there is this odd line of clouds back behind us that makes us think there's some different weather coming. We'll see.